Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to get the Flow coin using the Trust Wallet. But first of all, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for a chance to win a new iPhone 13. So let's jump into it. First, open your Trust Wallet, then go to the wallet section, and at the wallet section on the top of the screen, you see the buy and receive icons. You can either buy or receive Flow in Trust Wallet, then tap on the one that you're interested in, type in Flow. And when you tap on Flow Protocol, it's going to generate for you your Flow Protocol QR code. And with this QR code, you can receive Flow Protocol coins in your Trust Wallet. Or you can tap on copy. And with this, you can copy your address and receive coins that way. You can use the second option, the set amount option, where you can type in a set amount of Flow Protocol coin. And it's going to generate a new QR code. And with this new QR code, you will receive just this set amount of Flow, which is a very good way for transactions or payments. And obviously with the share icon, you can share your QR code and receive coins this way. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe for the iPhone and see you in the next one. Bye.